I'm using 12 of my Southern style biscuits. Just go ahead and lay them in your crock pot slow cooker. Perfect. Actually, I think I'm only gonna use 11. All right, now here I have 10 eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and add some heavy whipping cream. Perfect. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm just using pink salt because that's what I have. And this is all going in with those biscuits. We are making a yummy biscuit breakfast. Of course, we need some pepper in there.
So the heavy whipping cream, it's gonna help like make the eggs like smoother, or how
Yeah,
does
it just makes it more like dense and delicious and creamy. All right, and I'm gonna do some onion powder. Remember, this is seasoning up our whole dish, so you don't wanna be skimpy while you're seasoning these eggs.
Yeah, absolutely not. I love the seasoning.
And
Bring
then
on the salt.
garlic powder.
Sweet.
All right, go ahead and whisk these up real quick with that milk and that seasoning, and whisked just like that. That's the consistency we want.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and pour this over our biscuits.
Oh, that already looks so
Perfect.
delicious.
Okay, see how it just covers those biscuits just right?
Do you want the biscuits fully submerged?
Yeah, I mean, I used 11 biscuits and 10 eggs, so keep that in mind.
Sweet.
All right, now I have some chopped up veggies. This is bell peppers, green, red, and onions. You can use whatever veggies you like. I just got this, fajita mix because it was already chopped up. Use your whisk and just kind of blend that in with the eggs, get it all nice and cooked.
And you could use like freshly chopped.
Yeah, of course. I just like it nice and easy. You guys know I'm a lazy cook, so I just got the already cut stuff.
Heck yeah. This looks
All
like-
right. Now this is a breakfast, so we need some meat in here. I'm using some bacon bits, the real kind. You can also, cook up your own bacon and put it in here, but I just like the taste of these real bacon bits. Oh, don't want that in there.
Yep, don't want that.
Okay, that looks great. Smells delicious, that bacon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't you think we need a little bit more bacon? Or?
No, this is gonna be perfect. Trust me. We're gonna add some cheese to this, so there's gonna be plenty of sodium and deliciousness in there. It's gonna be a nice fatty breakfast. Fill you up.
I love sodium.
All right, now we're gonna top it off with medium cheddar cheese. This breakfast is gonna be so good. My family loves it. It's so easy. I just set it all up in the morning for Sunday brunch, and then they eat it up when it's all ready. Okay, that is it. Once we top the cheese, we're gonna cover it up, set our crock pot to high, and let it cook. All right, this is ready. We've had it in the crock pot for 2 hours on high. Let's check this out. Oh, that's steamed. Do you see those biscuits, how much they rose? Oh, it's like a big casserole. I need to try this
looks so good.
right now. I want this like cheesy. Oh, the biscuits are cooked perfectly.
Are they? Nice.
Yes.
That's the only concern.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a nice bite. Yummy, and that egg. Oh, it's cooked perfect.
It's amazing.
Okay, let's go ahead and try a bite. I want you guys to see how fluffy those biscuits are. That's why I love the frozen biscuits, because they're so fluffy and they just cook beautifully.
All right. Crockpot makes it super hot.
That is so good.
Good? Nice.